we are now, I believe on day 7, maybe day 6. I think day 7 though. And this is what we're looking at right now. If you see me looking down, I have a mirror in front of me so I can see. And this is usually how I would wear my hair when I go to sleep, so that way I'm not smushing my curls down. Now we are gonna get to the rejudging of this hair because I'm not ready for wash day quite yet. So we're just gonna rejudge this and figure out how I want to style it, and I am going to be drying it. So the products that I'm going to be using today are the other 2 products that I received, which are the Double Duty Elongate and Define Jelly, and I'm going to be using the Double Duty Stretch and Define Pudding. I do have a bottle of warm water with me, and I'm just gonna spray a little bit to kind of dampen my hair but not like drench soak it. Since I already have the back down, that's what I'm gonna start with, and then we'll move to the front. I'm starting off with the pudding, and it seems like a very thick consistency, but also very moisturizing. But this is what that product is looking like so far. Massaged into the hair. I'm just gonna go ahead and do the same thing to the other side. So that's what this side is looking like. I did go in and apply a little bit more. This is what she's looking like now after applying the pudding. It's definitely elongated. I'm just not sure about defined. It's not as defined, at least as I am expecting it to be. But it is definitely elongated, and I like that. So we will see what she's hitting for with the jelly. So now I'm gonna go in with the jelly on top of the pudding, and that's the consistency of it. Kind of has that stickiness. So this is what she's looking like after working the jelly in. Now I have a feeling there might be a little bit of flakiness, but I won't really know until she dries. So I'm going to let her be. As far as defining, it's not really defining it the way that I want it to be defined, but like I said, it could just be because the back part of my hair is a looser curl pattern, so it may just need a little bit of extra to get that kind of curl definition that I want. But we're gonna go on. So I have finished all of my hair. As you can see, this side is starting to kind of poof a little bit because it's drying. This is the side that I just finished, so it's looking a little longer because it's elongated. But I am gonna stop running my fingers through it and go sit under my hooded dryer for probably about 30, maybe 40 minutes. I will come back and give you guys an update. I'm back, you guys, and I have fully dried my hair. I'm pretty sure that it's like about 90-95% dry. And I did kind of already do like a little shaking out, which is why it looks like this. But as you can see, this is what the curls are looking like for this side, which it did do. Now it might be because I put like less product of the pudding on this side than on this side, where I kind of was a little heavier handed. It's giving a little bit more frizz. For the jelly, there is a slight crunch cast kind of thing going on, but I don't mind that because for my hair it gives it more structure and it needs it. That's how I'm able to get like the curls that look like that. The jelly, I definitely want to try again. I like it. It doesn't feel like super dry or anything because my hands still feel really soft touching the hair. In regards to the stretch and define pudding, I mean, it definitely stretched and that was very noticeable, so I can say she stretched. I don't know about defining though. I didn't really feel like I have other products that could define better than what this was giving. So I'm gonna have to say she alright, you know, she alright for the stretch, but at least for my hair, she just wasn't popping for the curls. She wasn't popping the curls for the girls, you know. I really do like the shampoo. It's very moisturizing and it has a lot of slip. I did not really I don't feel like I got a good sense of the conditioner slash leave-in, the rinse out slash leave-in conditioner. So I would have to repurchase that to kind of give it a full test out. But from just the small package that I've gotten, I don't know if it will really be for me. But we'll see, and I'll give you guys an update. With the curl definer and booster, I really liked this product. It's definitely water-based consistency, but when I mixed it with my leave-in conditioner, it definitely started to thicken it up to a good nice slippery consistency, but not runny where it was going to be dripping all over me. So I really liked that, and I'll definitely be continuing to use this. That is everything that I have for you guys today. I really hope that you liked this video, and if you found it helpful, then give it a like and leave me a comment below. Let me know your hair type and some of the concerns that you go through, because sis, we might have the same hair type and we going through the same stuff. We could be helping each other, okay? You leave me what your hair type is in the comments. and let me know some of the products, if you have any suggestions for things that I could try to, you know, zhuzh this up, girl. Zhuzh it up, but get it to where it's got to go. Until next time, G Squad out.